guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Non-Reacts. Today I'm going to be reacting to N.flying Japanese songs. I have fallen in love with N.flying. I went through some of their songs recently. 4242 is absolutely my favorite. No, 4242, Leave It is amazing. I did a reaction to that last time. Leave It is absolutely one of my favorite songs. Pardon? Oh my gosh, it's so good. And then what was that other one I liked? What was that other one? I think, yeah, no, that was it. 4242, Pardon, and Leave It. My three favorite songs right now. I absolutely love them. So I wanted, somebody in the comments just, my last N.flying reaction, told me I should check out some of their Japanese songs. And then I was talking to somebody on Twitter and they said their Japanese songs are actually really, really good. So I was like, I'll check out some Japanese songs by N.flying, even though I haven't got through all of their Korean songs yet. But it's N.flying. I'm gonna get there. Anyway, today I'm going to be reacting to Songbird, Kick Ass, and The World Is Mine. So, yes, let's go. Subscribe if you're new, hit the like button, and turn on the bell notifications so then you know because I'm going to be reacting to more N.flying. I absolutely love them so much. I really want to, is it called an egg bong? Is that what it is? Something like that? I want a light stick. I want to get an album. I want a lot of N.flying stuff. Put a poster on my wall. I'm so excited. Anyway, let's get into these Japanese songs. First one, Songbird. Oh, is this a concert MV? Oh, I haven't watched the concert video yet. Oh, I love Sung-hyuk. Is that how you say his name? I love Sung-hyuk. I love that shirt. What is this? What is this? Oh, I love the crowd vibing along with him. Oh, this is so good. His voice is absolutely amazing. Both of their voices together are absolutely amazing. Oh, that's a different bass guitarist. It's not the recent member either. Also, was this after the whole incident? I'm just saying. Oh yeah. Oh, I love it. I love it so much. Why does it sound such like an anime song? It really does. It really does sound like a Japanese, like an anime opening song. Oh, damn. So cute. I love the passion and excitement N.flying gives off. It's just, it radiates right into your body. It's absolutely beautiful. Oh, he's doing that thing that the bands usually do. Yay! N.flying! Oh my god, that's so good. I'm about to cry. That was so beautiful. That really sounded like an anime opening song. It really did. Oh my god. They should cover. They should do a They should make a song for an anime opening. Anyway, next song is Kick Ass. Another Japanese song by N.flying. I love N.flying so much. Where is this going? His voice is absolutely amazing. Do you guys know he growls in his songs? He goes, "Whoa." What is this? Song? Is that how you say his name? It was a beautiful addition to N.flying. I seriously swear, an absolutely great addition to N.flying when they put him in the band. And now Do-sung. Do-sung, is that how you say Do-sing? I forgot how to say his name. The new Maknae. The new bass guitarist for Nflying. I can't wait to see him in the new comeback. Oh, it's gonna be absolutely beautiful. This is gonna be his first comeback with the members. This song is amazing, by the way. I'm just bopping with it. It's so hype. Just imagine seeing this in concert or hearing this in concert. He performed with them, right? The new Maknae, the bass guitarist, he performed with them already, right? Please, put that in the comments. Oh, I love this song. I love this song so much. I love that. Their voices going over. Oh, that's amazing. I absolutely love that. Oh, their voices are absolutely heavenly. And they blend so well together. Oh! I'm about to tear up again. This song is absolutely amazing. Oh! No, it's finished. No, I want more N.flying in my life. I seriously do. Just give me everything. I wish I could watch everything, but I can't. Not at once. But here's the next Japanese song I'm gonna check out. It's called "The World Is Mine." That Kick-Ass and Songbird. What? That needs more recognition. People need to talk about those songs more. What the hell? Anyway, The World Is Mine, N.flying Japanese song. Let's go. Han on the guitar is absolutely sexy, by the way. Oh, cute. Oh, cute. Oh, he's so squishy. I can see why people say N.flying Japanese songs are amazing. They hit differently. Ooh. Hey. Hey, they're so cute. I want to go to an N.flying concert. Oh my god. They're so adorable. Ah. Oh. I love Nflying. I love Nflying so much. Do you? I do. They're so amazing. They're so amazing. Is that it? No, wait. Oh, Nflying. Nflying. I'm so happy I found Nflying. I really am. I was just searching on the web for something funny, and then I found two idiots, and I didn't know they were part of a K-pop group. And then I found the fact that they were part of Nflying, a K-pop band. And now I'm in love with them because they make great music. Beautiful. I love Nflying. Seriously, tell me in the comments more stuff that I need to check out about Nflying. I seriously swear, I'm here for this whole journey. Please be here for this journey with me, please. I need more Nflying everything. But yeah, tell me in the comments what you guys thought about these Japanese songs. Tell me in the comments about more songs I need to check out. Hit the bell, hit the like button, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.